I'm here to announce my 2 winners to the Will You Be My Cottage Cutz Valentine YouTube Hop. I first want to say thank you so much for everyone that left such an incredibly sweet comment on that video. I was really overwhelmed and I didn't have a chance to answer anybody, mostly because of the drawing for the winners, but just know that I read each and every single one of them and I really appreciate it. I also want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. I hope that you guys stick around and enjoy my channel and hopefully get some inspiration along the way. So with that being said, these are the 2 prizes that I am giving away. So first is this Love Bow and Arrow set, and it looks like this, super cute. And then the second is the Cup of Love. So that's what that looks like. So these are really cute dies, and I hope you guys get some great use out of these. So I am going the old school route, and I have everyone that was eligible in this bucket, and it doesn't seem like a lot, but they are teeny tiny. So everybody is in here, so good luck to everyone. I'm first going to draw the winner for this die. And winners, please make sure to contact me as soon as you can so that I can get these in the mail to you. As some of you might know, I am moving, and so I'm moving this Saturday, so I will have limited time. But I will communicate that with you. If you guys can just email me, I will have my email address up here as well as in the description box. So if you are a winner, please make sure to email me as soon as you can. Alrighty, so good luck everyone. And I am not going to look. I'm going to pick one name out. Hopefully I just have one. Okay. So the winner of the Love Bow and Arrow here is Deborah Johnson. So yay, congratulations Deborah. Please email me so that I know that you saw this video, as well as sending me your mailing address. So that is the winner of that one. Now for the Cup of Love, let me pick one more winner. Make sure I have one. Okay. So the winner of the Cup of Love is My Tooties 1. So yay, you are the winner of the Cup of Love die set. So thank you so much. Congrats to the winners, and please make sure to check out all the other participants. They should be posting all their videos for the giveaways today. And like I said, I really appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.